Prosecutors and defense attorneys just finished presenting evidence for and against former Uvalde officer Adrian Gonzalez. Tonight, Tiffany Liou shows us where things stand heading into closing arguments.
Everybody's heard the terror in your voice.
After 9 days of witnesses.
And how awful all of this was for you to witness without being able to do anything about it.
The Uvalde trial against former officer Adrian Gonzalez moves to the next phase. He faces 29 counts of child endangerment or abandonment.
It was a crime of omission is what they're charging him with.
Attorney and legal analyst Juan Sanchez has been watching the trial. We asked if a case like this could lead to policy change.
I'm not sure if it's going to change anything, to tell you the truth. I mean, I think this is more of a trial of trying to hold someone responsible for a very tragic event.
Through teachers and families, the state is trying to show Gonzalez was told a clear description of the gunman, that he had enough time to act while the shooter was outside the building.
From the testimony, we know there's 60 shots in 111 and 112 before Adrian Gonzalez gets in there.
But the defense argues Gonzalez arrived to a chaotic Robb Elementary School, assessed the scene, and ultimately entered as shots were fired, indicating he did more than other first responders.
But Coronado didn't just hear the shots alarm. He was on the west side watching the guy, it having like somebody with line of sight to the shooter, knowing that he went in the building.
On Tuesday, both the state and defense rested.
Okay, we'll be in recess for the day. We'll see the lawyers at 8:30.
And Wednesday, they'll each get 90 minutes for closing arguments before the jury deliberates.
They could take as little as 5 minutes or it can take as much as 5 days.
If convicted, Gonzalez could face 2 years per count, a potential of 58 years in prison. I'm Tiffany Liou.
Our gavel coverage continues tomorrow on WFAA+. We'll have live coverage of closing arguments and whenever the jury returns with its verdict. Our streaming app is free to download to your TV.
Tonight,